Today we're going to look at finding the least common multiple by listing multiples. So the least common multiple is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. So sometimes it's called the lowest common multiple, and it can be abbreviated as LCM, which I did there on the whiteboard to save some space. The LCM is important because it's how we can figure out the lowest common denominator when we start dealing with adding and subtracting fractions. So let's take a look at an example. All right, find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. So there's a few different methods for finding the LCM, and the one we're going to look at in this video is listing multiples. So I have a little multiple chart here, and we're going to start with multiples of 6 first. So I'm going to put 6 there, and I'm going to list the multiples of it. We've got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. And then let's take a look at our multiples of 8. All right, we've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. All right, so you can see that they actually have two multiples in common, 24 and 48, but we're looking for the least common multiple, the smallest number. So there's only going to be one of those, and that is 24. So our least common multiple is 24. Let's take a look at another example. All right, we're going to look for the least common multiple of 4 and 5. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to start with 4, and we're going to list our multiples of 4. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and then we'll do the same thing with 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We're looking for the smallest common multiple, and that's going to be 20. So our least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Now this way works great, especially with smaller numbers or numbers that it's kind of easy to multiply. When we get into bigger numbers, though, this can be a little bit trickier. So in another video, I will show you the second method of finding the least common multiple by using factor trees. As always, if you have any questions, K-mail me or give me a call on my office line.